Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see how to transform your data either from a wide format into a long format or from long format into a wide format using Excel Power Query Editor. So let's get into the video. Here I have a data set. I have different state level nutrition data and here you can see all my nutrition parameters are in long format. So but in order to do some analysis, I need the data which needs to be transformed something like this. So I need the npk and total variables in a separate columns. But here my data is something like this. I have all my variables in a single column, and to convert this, we can use Excel Power Query. We can find the Excel Power Query in the data tab. Here you can see the Excel Power Query options. So first thing you need to do is you need to load the data into Excel Power Query editor. So in order to do that, we have separate different options for uploading your data. So here I have the data, so I'll just directly select the data and I'll click from table or range. So once you click from table or range after selecting your data will be loaded into the Power Query editor. So here you can see my entire data has been loaded, and here you can also check your data whether it is correctly loaded or not, and you can check whether your data is perfectly clean or not. So here you can see I have some missing values. Let's ignore for now. So here I need to convert my nutrition into a wide format. So in order to do that, in transform tab, you can find the pivot column. So using the pivot column, you can easily transform the data from the long into wide format. So once you click the pivot column, a dialog box will appear, and in this we need to choose the values column. So this is my parameter and this is my value column. So this value column has to be uh, converted into wide format. So I'll choose total, that is my variable 9. So I'll choose the total variable, and another important thing we need to understand here is that we need to choose the value function. So how this value need to be addressed or transformed. So in my case, I don't want to aggregate it because I have the actual value, so I need to have the actual values after transformation. So I'll not use count or count not blank option. I'll just use the don't aggregate function. So after that you click OK, you can see the transformation. So now you can see the npk and total has been created in a different columns. So that is nothing but we have converted from long to wide format, and this errors are nothing but this is due to the missing values which we had earlier in the state. So now after transformation, go to home tab and click close and load. So a separate sheet will be created in your existing data set, and with that in that sheet you can see the converted or transformed data. So this is the simplest way of converting your data from long to wide. I think this option will be useful for all the data analysts and data scientists or the researchers who are working on this kind of data. With this, I like to conclude my video. Thank you.